Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of crude can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, crude is currently trading at around $86.11. Okay, and if this level sustain, then we can see it can go towards a level of 86.94, which is a weak resistance. So probability is very high. We can see it can go towards a level of 87 and then further upside, because this range has not come since 19th of September. Okay, this range has not been, we have not seen this range since 2 weeks of September, second week of September. We have not seen this range from second week of September. Suppose if the price sustain above this particular level, then we can see it can move further upside. But if this zone breaks downside, then we can see it can fall further low below a level of 85.74, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of $84 and then further down. Okay, now as you can see looking at the chart, before we move forward and explain you where it can go, if you have any doubt regarding crude, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. A Telegram link also I have given in the description. You can join that too. Suppose if this particular level sustain, because if this zone break upside, we can see it can go towards a level of around 86.99, which is a weak resistance. So probability is very high that we can see it can go towards a level of around 86.7, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of around $87.29. Okay, so once if it sustain this level, then we can see a level of 87.29, and if that level also sustain, then we can see it can go further upside and a probability of moving further high towards a level of 88.76 is there. Okay, and if that level also goes further high, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of $89.48. Okay, and from there we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of around a level of $90, $90.20. And this particular, most of the resistance are being tested and a weak resistance, so probability is high. We can see it can go towards a level of $92, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around, after 92.16, then we can see it can touch a level of $94, as you can see in the chart. Okay, and this level has not come since August of 2022. We can see that it can go further upside because this zone will break downside. As you can see, there is a continuous downfall in the crude price. So once this zone break upside, we can see it can go further high and can touch a level of 94.80, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $97.75. Okay, and once the price goes above a level of 98, then we can see it can go further high and towards a level of $102, and from there we can see it can go further upside because this zone will break upside and a probability of moving further high is very high. Okay, but suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, which is, as of now we can see it is moving upside. Suppose if it form a swing form at this particular level, if swing form at this particular level, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of $85.7, and if that also didn't sustain, then we can see it can move further down towards a level of $85. Okay, and once the price fall below this particular level, the next support coming at around $84.5. Okay, and if that also didn't sustain, the probability of touching 82.90 is very high. Okay, from there we can see a little bounce back upside, but overall trend, if you look at this from this particular zone, we can see it can break this particular support and a probability of touching 82.95 is there, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of $80.24. Okay, as we can see that it is moving in an ascending order in a upside zone. So once this zone breaks downside, then we can see there will be a sharp fall and a probability of moving further down towards a level of 78 will be there, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $76.75 also, and from there we can see it can move further down. Okay, now if the price fall below $76.75, then we can see, as I have already explained you in a previous video, that 77 point is a strong support, 68 is a strong support. So if the price fall below 76.75, then we can see a level of 74, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $68 once the price fall below a level of 74. Okay, and if it falls below this particular level, then a probability of touching 64.45 is very high, because we can see that there is a strong support if it this particular level then sustain. Okay, as I'm showing a day chart where you will understand that if the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of 73.38, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of 68.47, and from there we can see it can $62.59. Okay, as you can see, this is the first support, second support, and the third support. So once the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can move further down. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.